All right, we're getting some election-related breaking updates coming in. Remember, campaigning is ongoing because even as there's phase 2 polling today, there are 5 more phases to go. And Home Minister Amit Shah has now made a very pointed attack at the Congress. This is, of course, harking back to the Muslim League-like Congress manifesto charge that the BJP has made. And today, Amit Shah is asking directly to Rahul Gandhi. I want to ask Rahul Gandhi, if you'll take forward personal law, then will this country run on Sharia law? Now, this is the attack that is coming in from the Home Minister directly to Rahul Gandhi, who may not be a top functionary of the Congress party, but certainly his voice, his face is extremely key as far as Congress is concerned.
कांग्रेस के घोषणा पत्र आने के बाद भारतीय जनता पार्टी के प्रति लोगों का रुझान और बढ़ा है, क्योंकि कांग्रेस ने अपने घोषणा पत्र में अपीसमेंट की उनकी पुरानी आदत को फिर से एक बार रिपीट किया है। कांग्रेस के घोषणा पत्र में पर्सनल लॉ को हम आगे बढ़ाएंगे, ये बात की है। मैं राहुल गांधी जी को पूछना चाहता हूं, किस प्रकार का पंथ निरपेक्ष संविधान आप इस देश में चाहते हैं? हमारा संविधान देश के कानून धर्म के आधार पर नहीं बन सकते।
Payal Mehta, my colleague, is also joining us. Payal, very direct, pointed attack coming in. What we're witnessing is that after the end of the phase 1, there's been a lot of, very pointed attacks, a very no-holds-barred kind of attack coming in from the BJP directly towards the Congress promises.
Absolutely. You have seen the attack come from none other than the Home Minister himself. And obviously directing the question at Rahul Gandhi, a prominent leader within the Congress party fold, the MP from Wayanad was also in the fray, from Kerala's Wayanad today, and today is when Kerala votes. He essentially is asking the Congress understanding of their own manifesto is given the fact that the Congress party, remember, Shivani had made some announcements to do with a certain community. Is that something which they want to propagate? Are they talking about the fact that democracy is going to be only restricted to appeasing of certain communities? That's the question that Amit Shah has been asking. And you've seen all along that every promise that the Congress party made in its manifesto has been, torn out, been torn, you've seen a very, very aggressive attack coming in from the BJP and, of course, Home Minister Amit Shah over here leading the attack, asking the Congress party certain questions in terms of their appeasement policy. Now, this comes in at a very crucial juncture, given the fact that just this morning the BJP's official handle put out on X, essentially putting out the soundbite of Dr. Manmohan Singh, the former Prime Minister of the country, about how he had promised that, if they were poor, minorities, especially women, they would, Muslims, they would be given certain rights and certain privileges as well. So is this something that the Congress party is really willing to do? What about the rights of everybody? What about Sabka Saath Sabka Vikas that Narendra Modi government is talking about? That's the question that Amit Shah has been asking the Congress party, and of course directly speaking to Rahul Gandhi over here.
Yeah. Most questions are being pointed at Rahul Gandhi because he's really been the face leading the Congress campaign. He's talking about things that are even beyond the Congress manifesto that has become the talk of the town. I want to go